guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is Her Disguise, chapter 41. Let's start reading. The grudge of killing my mother and my brothers, stealing my husband and murdering my child. Ang dami niyang dilemma sa buhay. Diba? Ang dami niyang hinanakit. Ang dami niyang gustong pagbayarin. Did that happen to you? Shocked. Who knows? If I don't become strong, I might experience it too. Hindi niya sinabing reborn siya. Sinabi na lang sana niya para naintindihan na ni Prince, ni Crown Prince, diba? Why do you care so much about my matters? Do you know me? Ay, nako. Nang-intriga pa. No, just curious. Ito naman kasing si Crown Prince kung sa bagay, mailap kasi sa kanya si Bansha. Kaya, nagiging cautious siya. Paano niya iharap ang sarili niya para hindi umiwas sa kanya yung babae. Could she have really experienced something that made her lose trust in everyone? Well, indeed, she did. Since reborn siya, so nangyari talaga sa kanya yun. Why don't you diagnose my pulse, Miss Bansha? It's his unique scent. It's almost my nightmare. Even if he tries to cover it up with incense, I can still smell it. Ay, kilalang kilala niya. Kung sa bagay, on her previous life, wala naman, her life revolved around the Crown Prince. So, of course, kilala niya. Yubei! Tear off. Galit tuloy. Wala kang magagawa. I purposely changed my voice and you still recognize me. Of course, she still recognize you. Kilala ka talaga niya kasi sa past life niya eh. Now, let's see anong rebuttal ni Bansha. Then, I won't hide it anymore. So you deceive me just to conceal your identity. But your scent hasn't changed. Diba? Scent mo lang. Ano kaaso? Charot. May pagkaaso pala tong Bansha na to. Anyway, let's see what she thinks. He's not only the crown prince but also the leader of Tianji Tower. I'm afraid I'll be suppressed by him for a lifetime, let alone seeking revenge. Hindi ka talaga makakuha ng revenge dyan kasi napaka-powerful niyan eh. Problema lang, kung appropriate pa talaga yung revenge na ginagawa mo, feeling ko talaga may hidden na nangyari na hindi mo lang nakita. But even so, I must keep myself alive to deal with Jinshi and protect my family. Keep a close eye on him. You recognize me not because of love, but because you hated me to the bones. Oh, sad boy na naman. Bakit kaya sad yan siya? Bansha, why do you hate me so much? You will get the answer a few years later. Please stop asking. Oh, sad na naman yan. Once you fall in love with Qingdai, you will naturally let go of this question. I'm fine, as long as you don't regret it. Ikaw pa yung galit. Siyempre, wala pa siyang alam sa mangyayari, di ba? You should go prepare the medicinal cuisine first. Kahit sad boy yan, wala talaga siyang magagawa. Right, what's the next slide coming? So what will happen to them? I have brought the doctor. You've brought the doctor. Don't hide your illness or avoid the doctor from now on, old master. Lift. Okay. Sino ba kasi yung old master na yan? No? Bayi, after knowing the truth, are you still unwilling to call me grandfather? Ayaw niya pa rin. Huwag na lang. Huwag mo nang pilitin yung ayaw. That woman is the one who killed your biological mother. How can you accept her as your stepmother? So, pareha sila ng dilemma. Pinatay yung mga mother nila ng mga stepmothers nila. Napaka-evil talaga. No? Itong mga manwa mahilig sa ganyan. That's right. I should hate her. Oh, what's next? But she has raised me for 16 years. Throughout those 16 years, I have treated her as my mother with filial piety and love. So, the point is, what's your point there, dear? So, you replace her as your mom. Ganun ba yun? I have fought hard in front of the emperor for all the honors I have received, all just to make her smile. Okay, so what's up with that? She is cunning and wants to control you. One day, when there is a conflict of interest between you two, she will not hesitate. Of course, ganyan naman talaga. Pag nagamit ka niya, wala na. That's right. I have been with her for over 20 years. I know what kind of person she is, and I'm very clear-minded. Alam mo naman pala. Parang siya nga nagpatapon sa'yo sa malayo eh. Come down. Rest assured, I won't let my emotions get in the way, and I won't jeopardize the grand plan. What's the grand plan? What's the grand plan? Baka dito na yung twist, ano. Anyways, even if it's just to see the day when we can avenge ourselves, you must take care of your health. I'll go check on the herbal medicine. Little brat, don't walk away. Leave. Iniwan pa rin. At galit na galit yung lolo. Ito crown prince na to, matigas din eh. You little brat. Old master, don't be angry. I think the young master is following the doctor's advice, deliberately provoking you. I know, but he is stubborn and doesn't know how to speak. It would be strange if that girl liked him. Dislike. Kilala naman pala siya ng lola niya. For so many years, whenever you two mention the Empress, conflicts arise. If you expose another evil deed done by the Empress, perhaps the Crown Prince will completely hate her. Kung patuloy niyang gagawin yan, sa tingin niyo magagalit din talaga yung Crown Prince sa Empress. Buong buhay niya yung Empress yung naging mother figure niya. It's already painful enough for him to bear the burden of being adopted by his mother's murderer. I don't want to burden his heart with revenge. Yun na nga eh, revenge na yung nasa puso niya ngayon. Paano yan? I heard that he's going to choose a concubine soon, and the conflict between him and the Empress will soon become apparent. In the future, we'll understand my admonitions. Concubine. So, gagawin yung concubine sa ano? Wife yung hanapin niya, hindi concubine. Let's observe for a while first. And then, tell him about that matter. Perhaps we can even use the power of Miss Bansha. Okay. that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen on the next coming chapter. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.